I started the company 45 years ago to make specialised tooling. At that period, to get special tooling was taking anything from 8 to 10 months. That's where I came up with the name of Quickgrind, to try and shorten the time it took to produce specialised tooling. And we moved forward with the older type of technology till Ross came into the company, when the new technology started to take off, where we then started taking on the electronic machines, the 5-axis, the 7-axis machines which we have now.
We decided to continue the ethos of Quickgrind. We came up with a solution which is an engineering circle, and it's built up of 4 quadrants. QuickCam is the part of the engineering circle, which is where we go into the customer and find out the boundaries in which we've got to work to create the perfect tool for that customer. This is when we go and we find out what machinery they have, what cams they work with, what parameters they have limitation-wise. That is then taken on to our next part of the engineering circle, which is the Quick Lab. Quick Lab is where we start to develop the tooling in-house with our 3-dimensional simulations. This is where we've taken the information from the QuickCam and we start to build things with the customer, and we start to develop and produce that correct tool for that correct job for that customer. After the Quick Lab reports and models have been approved, we use a state-of-the-art measuring equipment, which means the tool never changes from that signed-off report. Quickgrind is the final piece of the engineering circle. It's the part where the tools have been approved and they're in production. Then we use the vending machine to put in the tools on the premises of the customer. This makes us local on a worldwide basis. The tools are never charged until they're vended, and all this is electronically fed back to us, so we have total control of the stock within that company, making sure they never ever run out of tools. We export globally from Canada, the States, all of the European countries, the African countries, the Middle East, the Far East, Australasia.
We can produce 1 tool every 20 seconds. That's on a 24-hour run. We run 7 days a week.
We reverse engineer, making more important of the customer and what they need, rather than taking to the customer what we manufacture and sell to them. That is what makes Quickgrind unique.